I started making videos because I kept having the same conversations with different people about AI. Yeah, it seems like every conversation touches AI. But more importantly, about work and jobs and about what all this means. And a lot of people are worried, and that's understandable. I get it. AI represents one of the most significant technological shifts that humanity has ever navigated. It is comparable in scale to agriculture and industrialization, but it's unfolding in years, not centuries. And this isn't just about automating tasks or improving efficiency, but we live in a world built around work. Our companies, our economies, our institutions are structured around how people contribute value. You don't have to love that reality, but you are operating inside it. Here's the hard part. There's real workforce pressure emerging. And certain roles are already being affected, and that pressure will continue to expand, and ignoring it doesn't make it go away. So the question isn't whether this transition is happening, it's how we choose to respond to it. AI doesn't think, it's not consciousness, it is a capability multiplier. It's one that expands what individuals can do faster than most organizations are currently structured to absorb. And that creates tension. Not just technical tension, but leadership tension. It puts responsibility on leaders, not simply to deploy new tools, but to rethink how systems, roles, incentives, and expectations are going to work. It also challenges individuals to rethink how they learn, adapt, and contribute in a changing environment. This is going to be difficult. It demands harder thinking and clearer trade-offs and more intentional decisions than, frankly, most of us are used to making. We don't have all the answers. I don't. But pretending this is simple or temporary or someone else's problem is a mistake. But what gives me optimism is this. We now have tools that dramatically expand what thoughtful, curious people are capable of building and understanding. Used well, they can help individuals grow and organizations adapt. But used poorly, they create confusion and they cause harm. And so this has to be a collective effort. If you're a leader who's also wrestling with how AI changes workforce design, accountability, capability, I would really like to have a conversation with you. And if you're responsible for deploying these tools inside real constraints, security, quality, and culture, I would like to help you and learn with you. And if you're an individual trying to understand how to adapt responsibly, you are part of this too. Because no single company or leader or technology is going to solve this. But if enough responsible people engage honestly, we can shape how this transition unfolds, instead of reacting to it after the fact. That's what I'm trying to do here. Let's get started.